Last year, when I talked to a client about this author I will be talking about in this video, he said to me, uh, Niels, I have the feeling that now you're making people up, you know, which you're talking to us about. First, you talk about Ernst Weichselbaum, then about Taiichi Ono, such weird names. And now this guy, Shigeo Shingo, is he even real? He doubted it. But the guy is real. Shingo is real. And I think he is not appropriately assimilated today, not as renowned today as he should be. This was his first book in English. It's a revised translation, the first translation uh, of this book that he ever published. He first published it in Shigeo Shingo, a Japanese. He published a previous edition of this in apparently pretty bad English, and then it was revised by Norman Bodek in the 19 at the beginning of the 1980s. It's called A Study of the Toyota Production System from an Industrial Engineering Viewpoint, the first book by Shigeo Shingo published in the West. Shigeo Shingo started working with Toyota in 1955, teaching them production techniques and techniques to reduce throughput time and so on, engineering techniques for production. And he worked with them until the mid 1980s. By the way, the guy, Shigeo Shingo, he was born in 1909 and passed away in 1980. Today, there still is the Shingo Prize named after him, which is bestowed yearly by a university in Utah on business books and other work in the area of lean. So Shigeo Shingo was really a pioneer of lean. Very much, his work is connected with Toyota, but he, different than Taiichi Ono, he formed his own consulting company early on, which was then continued by his son, and then I think still continued by his grandson. So Shigeo Shingo, he has a somewhat different profile than than Taiichi Ono, working with clients internationally everywhere in the world, including Germany, Europe, the United States, talking at university. He was a prolific author. He published several books, and he came up with several major techniques of how to reduce throughput time, how to become time oriented. The most famous one of these approaches is SMED, single minute exchange of die, which means a radical improvement in shortening of setup times in machine setup and production processes. This is the technique that he's most famous for, SMED. He wrote an entire book about it. I might say that different than Taiichi Ono, Shigeo Shingo was a passionate author. So there are, I think, around 12 books, 7 or 8, I think, are published in English. I have 4 books here with me. This, again, is the first. There is a lovely book, The Sayings of Shigeo Shingo, Key Strategies for Plant Improvement, highly recommended as well. There is a newer book, which obviously received its name after Shigeo Shingo passed away in 1990. Fundamental Principles of Lean Manufacturing. I think not as good a book, but still highly recommended. And my preferred book of Shigeo Shingo's is this one, the Black Book, as I call it. Non-stock production, the Shingo system for continuous improvement. There is one thing that I very much like about Shigeo Shingo, even compared to Taiichi Ono, who I edited this book of quotes and sayings with recently. What I really like about Shigeo Shingo is that he's so clear, so didactic in his writing. Yeah? So if you read this book, you will find that there are certain repetitions in it, but they serve the purpose of making the message really, really clear. So Shigeo Shingo said things like that inventory is not a necessary evil, but an unnecessary evil, that should be eliminated completely. And he also said wonderful things that most production systems, especially in the West, are speculative. So there's a difference between speculative production systems and assured production systems. Whenever I read this, it puts a smile on my face. All this analytics, production planning, the scheduling, the disposition work, between production lines and whatever, and between time slots. He calls this speculative. I think this is so great, to he gives very he his message is very straightforward, very clear, very provocative and funny, at times. And he goes in a lot of technical detail. His book, if you want to start with one, I would recommend this: Non-Stock Production, the Shingo Systems for Continuous Improvement. But you can start with any of his books, really. They're all delightful, very essential. So especially if you work in production companies and industrial companies, these the books by Shigeo Shingo are must-read literature, highly recommended, very funny. And I would also like to highlight that, in a way, he is overlooked and partially forgotten as a contributor to time-oriented organizing, because at least in the West, most people, most companies got stuck in tools, techniques, incremental thinking, less conceptual thinking, considering lean a journey and that kind of stuff. So, and his work, Shigeo Shingo's work, went totally in a totally different direction. Approaching lean, or what we today we call lean production, in a systemic way, in a time-oriented way, which is why Shigeo Shingo, is such an important contributor to time-oriented organizing. Together with W. Edwards Deming and together with Taiichi Ono, he's certainly marks the turning point for organizing in a time-oriented way, not a capacity-oriented way. So, yeah, a wonderful author. Highly recommended all the books by Shigeo Shingo. And even though they were written in the 1980s, they are still very much appropriate and contemporary today. Read the works of Shigeo Shingo, especially the one about non-stock production. Highly recommended. See you again soon.